Hey hatchlings, this is Cameron from the future filming the intro. Today we're going to Savi'S workshop to get the lightsaber made, the personalized lightsaber. It was a pretty fun experience. We'll give a recap at the end and then give the outro at the end as well. So thanks. We'll take a look at the video.
Okay, just in case, I don't want you to get separated, so make sure you remain in the section of your builder. Don't go wandering about, not even over here, and please don't leave touching anything with these chambers, or you might get the shock of your life. Welcome. To you, this probably looks like a lot of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of it is new junk. Okay, that joke did not land the way I hoped it would. I know that this is a lot, but for us, it's everything. You've met the gatherers. You may call me Kimmy. We humbly call ourselves the gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So for those stormtroopers that see only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past just might ensure our future. Right? Right. So you've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, correct? But we hear that there's another, a new Jedi. You know her name. Go ahead, tell me. What's her name?
Rey.
Rey, yes, and what she is leading is this spark of hope we've all been waiting for. And that's why you're here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a saber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of the builder with force flowing between them. And today, you get to feel that connection. Okay, that's enough of all of that. Let's get started. We begin with perhaps one of the most important components of a lightsaber. The kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say that kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker. And now we hear red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, sometimes called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. These are all stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. indulge me for a moment and close your eyes. Go ahead, close your eyes and picture all the kyber crystals I've described. Which one calls to you? Now everyone open your eyes and take your crystal. And once you select your kyber crystal, please place it on the crystal holder in front of you.
Just the screens.
Well done. This is very exciting. It is now time for you to join your kyber crystal with your saber side. It is time for you to build your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. The hilt is your center of control. The hilt is also the card that sends your hand from being sacred. Wait, stop. No. Listen up. If I can test on this, and these boxes are all the same parts you selected. But this is, listen, order of assembly. You have the chassis. Then you go all the way over to section 5, the activation plates. Back over section 1 and 2 for the grips, emitter, and pommel caps. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey. And just as you selected your kyber crystal, you will select each part of your saber to create one that is uniquely yours. Everyone stop what you're doing. Look in front of you. These are your gatherers. Please allow them to guide you on your journey. And with that, let's build.
First Sons Builders, my name's Cassandra. I'll be your gatherer today. So your first step, we're going to start off with our chassis. This central chamber right here is going to house our kyber crystal. There's a small platform here at the top, which will have a spring inside of it. You want to take one of the pointed ends of your crystal, centered at the top of the platform, and then using both hands, you want to gently push the crystal into the spring and up to help lock it in place. This part can be a little tricky, so if you need help, just let me know. But once it's in place, it will light up for you. We're going to move over to our next step. We're going to be selecting our activation switches. These are a matched pair, so we're picking from this set of switches or this set of switches. So if we look on the inside of your switches, there's going to be either a red square or a blue square. Those are going to match up to the red and blue squares on the center of the chassis. So on the side of your chassis there is red and blue squares, and on the inside of your plates will be matching red and blue squares. The red is going to match to red, blue will match to blue, and they're going to snap over either half of your kyber crystal. So do you have the red on the red, or the blue on the blue? So push it all the way in. There you go. And now we want red to match to red. So make sure it's even. Make sure it's nice and even. There you go. That's even. Can you test your switch for me? Can you slide up on your switch there? Can you test your switch for me? We're going to move over to our grips now. We have 4 grips to pick from. You'll be picking 2 of them. You're going to put one on the top of the chassis, one on the bottom. Yep, and then we're going to push and twist it to secure it. Push and twist. There you go. Yep, and then flip it over and you're going to put your bottom grip on. Oh, that was not one. Nope, you gotta pick one more grip first. So one of these. One of these. You want to make sure the silver band is towards your switch. Over. There you go. Now push and twist. Excellent. So you'll be adding one more of these grips to the top of your chassis. Now you can add one of these pieces. So this here is the top of your hilt. That's the bottom. You're just going to screw it on, okay?
Yeah.
Now you can add one of these pieces here, and it's going to screw onto the bottom. Is that one being a little difficult?
A little bit, yeah. I don't know if it's me or...
I'll swap with you. See if that one wants to work a little better. And I'll just keep twisting it until it stops. Yep. There you go. Alright, your next step, you'll be adding one of your emitters here. It's going to screw onto the top of your helmet. Are you happy with your finished helmet? Yeah? Mind if I take a quick look at it? Just want to double check those parts I handed you. Now, your activation switch is going to be right here. So when the base is activated, you're going to slide all the way up on your switch, and that's going to have to turn your lightsaber on and slide down to turn it on, okay? Alright, I'm going to set our hilt right here for us, and we're going to wait on everybody else, okay? Yes, excellent. That last and final piece will go right there. Are you happy with your completed hilt? Alright, you mind if I do a quick safety check? I'm just going to double check all the parts I handed you. Now, as a reminder, your activation switch is right there. So when chem base is activated, slide up on the switch to activate the blade, and down to deactivate it, okay? I'm going to set your hilt right here. We're just going to wait on everybody else, and we'll be moving to our next step in just a moment. Congratulations. Thank you. And then you put it right here, okay? Good job.
He walks to the hallway. He picks up the hallway. He picks up on the desk. What's up the back window? What's the window? Hands outside. Disappears in the floor.
I'm gonna mess with you. Now remember, everyone, when you leave this room and if you encounter a stormtrooper, you do not have a lightsaber, okay? You have a piece of scrap metal. Let's practice it. Get up, stormtrooper around by two. I say, hey kid, what you got there? What do you say?
It's a piece of scrap.
I like how you lied with a sweet voice. Stay in school and listen to your folks, okay? That's how I keep it cold. All right, everyone, take a moment to settle. Appreciate the work you've done. You all completed your hilts. Nothing traumatic or unexpected happened, but this next part is dangerous. So please leave your hilts where they are and move away from the table as far as you can. Everyone move away from the table. Keep moving, keep moving. We gather need to stabilize the crystals for activation by entering them into this chamber. It's very dangerous. Only to be done by those who've been trained for many years in our gatherers. And even with all this training, sometimes things happen. But we're not going to call those things mistakes, accidents, or explosions. We are going to call them oopsie-doodles. And anybody can cause an oopsie-doodle. I call that one.
Many parts still now. Join they are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Mr. Young, indeed, it is time to take that first step. Everyone, we have reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be formed. In a moment, I'll have you all take a step forward. Place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, without pulling, simply slide the switch forward and we will activate a storm. Everyone ready? All right, step forward. Hand on your hilt. And activate. Builder, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And just like them, you too may change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Everyone, please deactivate and lower your saber now.
Complete your lightsaber. Like your way it can, but lead you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold, in your hand you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new lightsaber, we offer you these saber sheaths as your depart. Our time together has come to an end.
No.
But your journey is just beginning. It's your time to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the savior you created. And who knows if after this time we may be telling your story. Once more, builders, raise your sabers and activate. Tell the spire.
Tell the spire.
Well done, my friends. Adventure awaits you outside that door.
So, Savi'S adventure building the lightsaber was nice. It was fun, interesting. The girl that was directing it kind of was like trying to throw puns in there a lot. You know, it's a nice little experience. Highly recommend if you're ready to throw a couple bucks at it, and if you're a fan like I am. You know, go ahead, give it a try. It's really fun experience. You get to pick the kyber crystal. You get to build your hilt based on whichever of the 4 kind of categories you like. I did power and control. I was bouncing between that one and the first one. I don't remember the name of the first one, but I'll put it in like subtitles below what it was. I ended up just going with power control. Just looked the coolest to me. With the purple kyber crystal, you guys will see the video of me spinning around right now probably. Yeah, it was a really fun experience, really nice. Everyone was super nice and friendly. No one was like rude at all. Super easygoing, and putting it together was way easier than I expected. And even Bailey was surprised at how heavy it was. They passed one around at the beginning. So they give you pay, they give you your little like ticket and your receipt back, and then you go and you sit over in like a little docking area, just kind of like getting ready to go in. And the guy passes around like a display one without the blade in it, or the light up part, and it's freaking heavy. Like I handed it over to Bailey, and Bailey was like, "Whoa." Heavier than I expected as well. And then mine is crazy heavy. So then we go inside, we build it all, and then they give you a sheath as well for it, just a little carrying case for it, so that way you don't bounce it or hit it against any walls or people. And they label it as like it's hiding, which is cool too. It's just a cool, fun experience. Highly recommend if you got a young one that's interested in it, or if you're interested in like the Star Wars universe, you having your own lightsaber and everything like that. Super fun experience. Highly recommend. The whole aesthetic and kind of like tone of it all, super cool. Lots of fun. When Master Yoda came over the intercom and started talking to everybody, oh, that part was like majestic as fuck. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys just like almost like a B-roll footage of the whole lightsaber and it when it's off versus when it's on, and that'll be it. I mean, hope everyone likes the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click any links we have below for our socials like Discord, Twitter, etc. And we'll see you guys later.